Today we're here to talk about the Lennox iComfort S30 thermostat. It's part of Lennox's signature line equipment. Right up here on the top right, you'll see the time of the day, and the date. The square boxes, that is a selection to be made, which will get you into your settings. By hitting the settings button, now this is going to bring up all of the different features that may or may not be benefits for you. Very simple changes. If you want to change temperatures, you can swing up and down to get it to the temperature you would like. If you like, you can connect your thermostat to Wi-Fi, which allows you to use your phone, tablet, or computer, change any temperatures, humidity levels throughout the summer, winter. Being a smart thermostat, if you do connect it to your phone and you do leave the home, it has an away feature. So it allows the system to raise up a couple degrees when you're not at home, but it knows when you're on your way home and will go back to the exact temperature that you would like to keep in the house. Allergen Defender is also another really neat feature. It's able to notice the local weather, and when allergies are going to be bad, it will automatically run and circulate the blower motor so you can filter the air throughout your home. It works with Amazon Alexa, so you can talk to your thermostat if you'd like. No reason to get up or get your phone out to make any changes. Some of the really neat features I like are the feels like temperature, summertime humidity. If you've ever walked into your home, the temperature is where you normally set it, but you wonder why it just doesn't feel that crisp, coolness. That's because humidity in your house is too high. By using the thermostat and the feels like temperature, or simply setting the humidity that you want in the summer and winter, you'll not only have a healthier home, but a more comfortable home. Well, the newer thermostats and technology have come a long way, but we're not only just setting temperatures anymore. We're able to control our whole home for health and comfort, which I believe will be a true benefit, and I think you will enjoy.